This is our Peachtree Corners location. You're gonna come up here to the building. You can park in the parking lot. It's going to then, you can input the code right into the front door here. You'll see it verified. You're gonna come right up the stairs. Make a right. You're gonna see our location here. We're in Suite 201. You're then going to input the code into the door. When you come in, you can go ahead and do the skills. Just input your information into the computer, start your skills check. When you are done, if you can do me a favor and wipe off the mannequins and just put everything back together, turn off the light. Thank you very much.